The #1 primary trade line hack, I'm going to get into it in this video. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. If you haven't by now, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. If you want to learn more about personal credit, business credit, and how to properly leverage trade lines so you can get approved for better funding. Let's get started. Now, most credit unions are going to offer what's called a secured loan, aka a pledge loan. Many people know the Navy Federal Pledge Loan hack, right? And basically what this is where you will use your own savings money and put it on your credit report. It's not going to do you any good sitting in your savings account. It's barely going to be paying any interest. So the best thing that you can do, especially during a time where you just got a large recent deposit, use your cash, put your cash on your credit report and make it really work for you. How? A secured loan. Instead of doing a secured credit card, do a secured loan. That way you can try to bypass the secured credit card if you build your relationship right with the bank. But not only, you're going to create what's called a primary trade line that's in your name. Yes, one of my community members just shared with me they actually had one of their clients do a pledge loan. They did like $30,000 pledge loan and then were approved for an $80,000 auto loan. This is exactly how you can get better approvals for funding. And here's the great thing about it. This is not an authorized user trade line. This is a primary installment loan that's on your credit report by using your own money to secure the amount. Unlike secured credit cards that generally only go up to like a $5,000 limit, the secured loans can go up to whatever, $100,000, $200,000. Not to say that we have that sitting around, but even if you have $20,000, $10,000, $5,000, do that in a secured loan. And here's the best part about it, guys. If you don't remember anything else from this video, remember this, because this is most important. Are you ready? Before I tell you and just sprinkle you with so much game you don't know what to do with yourself, make sure to do me a favor and hit that like button and comment below if you are going to try this hack. So are we ready? So with the secured loan, especially the one with Navy Federal, you can add what's called a co-borrower, okay? That is basically where you can add somebody else to your pledge loan, aka secured loan, and they can inherit that primary trade line as a primary trade line on their credit report. So if you want to help your children build credit to be able to qualify for a home or a car, this is the ultimate hack. You do a secured loan, $20K, $30K, and you add your children that are at least 18 years of age or older, and boom, they've got themselves a primary trade line that is in their name. You can also help other people build credit with this. If you have family members or friends or whomever, you can add them as a co-borrower to your pledge loan so they can inherit that good credit history and that to help them build credit. And you can add them at any time. So say it's already been open for 2 years, because again, you want to keep these pledge loans open for as long as possible. Sure, you can do the hack where you pay 90, 80% of it off within 30 days. I recommend that. That way you only owe a little bit and you can make a small $5 payment per month so the balance goes down every month. You won't owe a payment for a while if you pay it down, but the goal is to pay something so the balance is going down each and every month, even if that's just a few dollars, $5, whatever that might be. Plan it out. You want to keep it open for a minimum of 2 years. The more, the better, okay? Because we want to inherit that credit history to show banks and financial institutions that we can pay as agreed. After 3 months of having the secured loan, go after the credit card and keep building, my friends. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Make sure to follow, like, and subscribe for more information about personal credit, business credit, and so much more.